Welcome to the DV Comm Systems channel, where we bring to you another successful installation. Today we're preserving history while enhancing security. Access control installation and repair at 2 Great Jones Alley in NoHo, New York City. At DV Comm Systems Corporation, every project presents a unique challenge, but some projects require an even greater level of expertise, planning, and attention to detail. One such project was recently completed for Michael Andrews at the historic property located at 2 Great Jones Alley in the NoHo Historic District of Manhattan, New York City. This landmark property required a careful balance between maintaining the architectural integrity of a historic structure and implementing modern security technology capable of meeting today's access control and safety requirements. The challenge: the property's entry gate system had experienced ongoing operational issues that affected both security and convenience for residents and authorized visitors. The existing access control components had become unreliable due to age, environmental exposure, and deterioration of wiring and supporting hardware. Because the property is located within a historically significant area of New York City, all work needed to be performed with extreme care to preserve the building's character and appearance while improving functionality. The DV Comm Systems solution: after a detailed site assessment, our technicians developed a repair and upgrade strategy designed to restore dependable operation while minimizing any impact to the historic structure. The project included troubleshooting and diagnosing gate access control failures, inspection and testing of existing low-voltage wiring, repair and replacement of damaged wiring components, restoration of gate release functionality, testing of power supplies and control circuits, verification of communication between entry devices and door release hardware, system programming and operational testing, end-user training and system verification. Outdoor access control systems are continuously exposed to rain, humidity, temperature fluctuations, and corrosion. During our inspection, several components showed signs of wear resulting from years of environmental exposure. DV Comm Systems carefully repaired and restored the system to ensure reliable operation while improving long-term performance and reducing the likelihood of future failures. Our team also verified that all critical components were operating within manufacturer specifications and that the system provided consistent entry authorization for approved users, enhancing security without sacrificing historic character. One of the most rewarding aspects of this project was helping protect a historic New York City property without altering its architectural appearance. By restoring the access control infrastructure, the property now benefits from modern security performance while preserving the unique character that makes NoHo one of Manhattan's most recognizable historic neighborhoods. Why access control matters? Access control systems are often the first line of defense for residential, commercial, and mixed-use properties. A properly functioning system provides security, accountability, convenience, remote management capabilities, protection of residents and assets. For historic buildings, these benefits are especially important because protecting the property itself is just as critical as protecting the people who use it. DV Comm Systems is proud to have helped restore reliable access control functionality at 2 Great Jones Alley, ensuring that this historic property remains secure, accessible, and protected for years to come. Whether it's a landmark building, commercial office, apartment complex, school, or private residence, our team delivers professional low-voltage and security solutions tailored to each client's unique requirements. At DV Comm Systems Corporation, we specializing in access control systems, video intercom systems, CCTV and surveillance cameras, structured cabling, network infrastructure, fiber optic installations, system testing and certification. Call us today at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com. Like and subscribe for more installation story by DV Comm Systems.